Sheikh Mehran. I study in class 2nd B. Today I will show you my vision practice. Let's start. 5 at 7, let's 9 at 5 at 6, let's 2, let's 4 at 6 at 5, let's 1 at 4, let's 7 at 3, let's 9, let's 5 at 2, let's 2 at 2, let's 1 at 1, let's 1 at 8, let's 2, let's 3 at 6 at 5, let's 2, let's 1 at 4, let's 2. Answer is 40. My answer is right.
Hello everyone, my name is Umakant Shinde. I am GrowMax Abacus student. Today I will show my visual practice. So let's start. At 40, at 25, let's 21, at 65, at 30, at 28, at 57, at 89, at 85, at 70. My answer is 468. So let's check. My answer is right.
Hello everyone, my name is Swaraj Shinde. I am student of GrowMax Abacus. I will show you my visual practice. So let's start. 1 at 7, plus 2 at 4, plus 3, plus 6 at 9, at 1, plus 7 at 1, plus 3 at 7, at 8, at 1, at 7, at 1, plus 3 at 5, plus 1, plus 2. My answer is 25. Let's check. It is correct. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anshuman Ghongade. Today I am going to do visual 1 digit 30 rows with the speed 0.8. So let's start. 9, 6, 1, 9, 6, 5, 8, 3, plus 9, plus 7, add 9, plus 8, add 9, add 7, add 1, plus 7, add 1, plus 5, plus 8, add 8, plus 7, add 2, plus 8, add 5, plus 2, add 8, add 7, plus 1, plus 9, plus 3. My answer is 30. So let's check the answer. My answer is correct.